Hi everybody, time to freeze some of those rhubarb stalks. It's growing like crazy. We put a lot of our fireplace ash in it over the winter and I think that really helped. So let's go check it out. Holy moly, look at this. I gotta get those seed pods out of there. That's much better anyway. So now let's grab some of that tender rhubarb from below. Some people cut it. I just kind of, oh, I see another seed pod. Get that out of there. I just kind of twist and pull. It's up to you. All right, I need two hands to get in there. I took out a lot of rhubarb and you wouldn't even know it. It looks like I didn't even touch the patch. Please remember that the leaves are poisonous, so what I do is I just tear them off and throw them as mulch somewhere else in the garden. All right, time to clean them, chop them, freeze them. I want them as dry as possible so that when I chop them and freeze them, they don't get all crystallized. The only thing I'm kind of sad about with rhubarb is once you freeze them, they get turn mushy. And I was thinking of canning them, but to do that, you got to make a sauce. So I'll just freeze them. So after chopping, that's how much I chopped up. Now I'm going to do it by 2 cups per bag, zipper bag. Well, I ended up with 10 cups. In the last bag, I wasn't sure how much, and it turned out to be 4 cups, which is fine. If I make a pie or something like that, it'll be perfect. All right, as simple as that. Now I'll throw them in the freezer. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day.